Here I am at the Kimpton Hotel in Winston-Salem. Just got in. It's about 8 at night. They have a staff downstairs for bell service. It's really cool retro. And check out the little fox coat hanger randomly on that wall. There's a lot of really cool artistic details in this hotel, and please excuse me, I have been driving all day long. I feel like I probably smell about the same as my dog. And okay, so here's the bathroom. Nice subway tile, and as usual, pretty high-end looking toiletries. I like that they have these not disposable bottles, but this is kind of the problem with that. But other than that, everything here looks very clean. Take a look at the drain. I mean, yeah, it could be touched up for sure. But also gleaming sink. Here's the desk area that is in front of the bed. All of these lamps, like everything except for that light bulb, has to be turned on individually. And they're like turn on old-fashioned style. What's fun about Kimptons? They're always artistic in their decorations. I mean, check it out. That gives me ideas. Okay, so anyway, there you go. This is the Kimpton in Winston-Salem. And if I get a chance, I will take pictures of the lobby and things and post those. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one.